The product we're here today to discuss is the Acumatica Construction Edition. So our typical user is contractors, obviously, and it ranges from general contractors on the commercial side down through the specialty sub-trades, the whole gamut from a construction perspective. So the typical uses are, the core is the accounting side, GL, AP, AR, functionality, and then on top of that, with the Construction Edition of Acumatica, you have the job costing capabilities, CRM capabilities, you have the ability for managing your budgets, managing your project management side of the fence. So there's a lot of collaboration between field to office and office to field. A lot of construction companies are at the point where they've utilized a legacy server-based product for the last 20 years, and they know they're going through a digital transformation, that everything has been moving to the latest and greatest tech, which is the cloud. So Acumatica Construction was born in the cloud, built in the cloud, and the capabilities it provides is anywhere, anytime access. So real-time information. So as you're in the field and you've got a change order happening, you've got a project issue, that instantly updates the back office. The executive team knows where that data is coming from. They know exactly where they are from a revenue perspective, a cost perspective on their project. So that's one of the biggest benefits of that digital transformation using the Acumatica Construction Edition. We do 2 major releases a year. One is, we call it R1 and R2 releases, first quarter, fourth quarter. And what we do is we have a partner advisory board and a customer advisory board where they help us understand exactly what features need to be updated, what new reports may be needed. We listen to them and we gather that feedback, we collect that feedback, we prioritize that, and we stick it in our releases. We do 350 plus features and functions in every single release of the software. So if you'd like more information on the Acumatica Construction Edition, please visit our website, acumatica.com. We'd be happy to provide you a demonstration from there. You can find information about our partners, information about our marketplace, and all of the integrated partners we have from an ISV perspective.